Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. My name is Putri Pardede. I am a nursing student at Asia University Bandung. Here I will explain about TOEFL reading skill 1 to 3, which lasts about 20 minutes. Never give up on anybody. Miracles happen every day. As you can see on the screen, skill 1 main idea question. So that we answer the main idea question correctly almost every part of the reading of the paper TOEFL. Tests are the computer TOEFL tests there will have multiple choice. Question can be said in various ways as you. For example, can refer to identify topic main idea. How to identify the question on paper and computer text, such as what is the topic of the passage, what is the subject of the passage, what is the main idea of the passage, what is the author main point in the passage, with what is the author primarily concerned, which of the following will be the best title. How to answer the question? Read the first line of each paragraph. Look for a comment them or idea in the first line. Pass your eyes quickly over the rest of the passage to check that you really have found the topic sentence. Eliminate any definitely wrong answer and choose the best answer from the remaining choice. For example, the tiniest bird in the world is the male bee hummingbird because it is so small. It's often mistaken for a bee or some another type of insect. Of the size as a hummingbird, it is able to flap with its wings extremely quickly, up to 2 times per second. With this really fast wing speed, the bee hummingbird can hover like a helicopter, fly forward, fly backward, or even fly upside down. What is the topic of this passage? The answer is B, because in the first line there is the sentence the tiniest bird in the world is the male bee hummingbird. Next skill 2, stated detail. How to identify the question according to the passage. The passage indicates that it is stated in the passage that the other mentioned that which of the following is true. Next, how to answer the question. Choose a keyword in the question. Skim the appropriate part of the passage for the keyword for stated idea. Read the sentence then that contains the keyword or idea carefully. Look for the answer that restates an idea in the passage. For example, the passage uh, the passage uh, the passage flutes have been around for quite some time in all sorts or shapes and size and made from a variety of materials. The oldest known flutes are about 20,000 years old. They were made from whole wheat oat bones with holes cut in addition to the to bone. Older flutes were often constructed uh, from bamboo or whole wood. Today's flutes are generally made of metal. And in addition to the holes, they have a complicated system of key, levers, and pads. The instrument belonging to well-known flutes James Galway is not just made of uh, made of any metal. It is made of gold. The question, according to the passage, the oldest flute. The answer to the question are generally found in order in the passage. So you should look for the answer to the first question near the beginning of the passage. Since the first question asks about the olden flutes, you should see that this question is answered in the second sentence. The passage sentence that the oldest flutes were bones with holes cut in them. So the best answer is A. Had holes cut in them, because answer B and D are true about today's flutes, but not the oldest flutes. So they are incorrect answer. C is an incorrect number. Next, skill 3, unstate detail. How to identify the question? Which of the following is not stated? Which of the following is not mentioned? Which of the following is not discussed? All of the following are true except. Next, how to answer the question. Choose a keyword in the question. Scan the appropriate part of the passage for the keyword from stated idea. Read the sentence that contains the keyword of idea carefully. Look for the answer that are definitely true according to the passage. Eliminate those answers. Choose the answer is not true or not discussed in the passage. For example, the passage, the Florida Keys are a beautiful chain of almost 1,000 corals and limestone. Islands from an arch that had first southwest and culminates the main uh, islands in the chain. On this highway, it is necessary to cross the 40,000 bridges over the ocean to cover the 159 miles from Miami on the mainland. To Key West, the Pardede Islands on the highway and the southernmost city in the question: which of the following is not mentioned about the Florida Key? The first question asks for the one answer that is not mentioned about the Florida case. The passage states that the Florida case are a chain. Answer E. Answer A. With coral and limestone. Answer B. In the shape of an arch. Answer C. So their answers are not correct. The best answer is the four answer D. The passage does not discuss whether or not the key are all inhabited. Thank you. Uh, uh, that is from me. Thank you for your attention. I say assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.